Hey everyone, welcome to FilterGrade. The internet is full of side hustles and ways for creators to make money online. If you create content, there is money to be made, but some platforms are more supportive than others when it comes to paying their creators. Today we're discussing platforms that creators can make money on, whether you do video, photo, audio, or graphic design. Number 1. YouTube. If you're a video creator, there's a pretty high chance that you already post on YouTube. YouTube's monetization system has received plenty of changes and criticism over the years, but there's no denying that it does pay out. To be eligible for monetization, your channel needs to have no active community guideline strikes, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Your revenue is based on the ads shown before, during, or after your videos, and the payouts can vary. If you continuously get views on your videos and you keep away from content that advertisers may not want their brands associated with, you can make good money from YouTube just from uploading your videos. YouTube also has donations in the form of super chats for live streams and super thanks for uploaded videos, which YouTube takes a 30% cut of. Number 2. Patreon. Patreon has long been the website that creators go to further monetize their content from YouTube, Instagram, or podcasting. It allows fans to pay a monthly subscription in order to support their favorite creators. In return, Patreon encourages creators to offer bonus premium content to their supporters. Patreon is not necessarily a dedicated content platform itself, but it has become the go-to for making a living from creative entertainment work. However, this platform does take a cut of your earnings through various fees, somewhere between 5 and 12% depending, so keep that in mind. Number 3. Instagram. Instagram has a couple of ways for creators to earn money by using certain features, although this has not always been the case. Badges are a tool that Instagram live streamers can use. Fans can purchase badges to support the creators they watch, and those badges can show up next to their usernames. The platform also has subscriptions. It's a feature that at the time of writing is still new and only available to a limited number of creators. It allows fans to pay a monthly subscription to a creator to gain access to extra live streams and subscriber-only stories. It stands to reason that they will only expand this feature in the future. Number 4. Snapchat. Snapchat reported in 2021 that they were paying out $1 million per day to creators whose posts go viral through the app's Spotlight feature. Some creators became millionaires just from this feature. If your video goes viral and meets Snapchat's requirements, you could still see a paycheck from some of your stories and videos. Number 5. Spotify. Spotify has spent plenty of time making headlines for how little they pay artists, but you can still make money on the platform. It is generally accepted that artists can make $3 to $5 per 1,000 streams. It's not a lot, but it can add up. This really doesn't generate much if you're a small artist though, but there are some great success stories. Streambeats generated an unprecedented amount of income by creating copyright-free music for content creators to play during live streams. Even though their following beforehand wasn't huge, the music encouraged listeners to play their music on repeat for hours on end, rather than just listening once and moving on.
For your average musician, every daily listener will listen to about 1 to 2 songs a day. Compare that to Streambeats, which gets about 40 streams per listener, because typically streamers are playing this in the background behind their live streams for hours on end. Every month, it makes about $146,000.
Number 6. Skillshare. Skillshare and many other online learning platforms allows anyone to create a course and start selling it. If you have a topic that you're knowledgeable about and think people will pay to learn from you, go out and make a course. Creators on Skillshare get paid in 2 ways. 30 to 50% of Skillshare's monthly subscription revenue goes into a pool that is distributed to creators based on how many minutes of viewing time their videos have received. Creators can also get a $10 referral bonus for each person who signs up for a Skillshare account using their referral link. Number 7. Twitch. Twitch is a live streaming platform that pays creators in several different ways. While the website is typically known for its gaming content, there is a huge variety of genres and types of content you can find, including podcasts, music, and crafts. The first way creators can make money is by having ads appear in their streams. Streamers can actually manually control when they have ad breaks so that the ads don't affect the viewing experience. Twitch also allows viewers to pay a monthly subscription of $4.99, $9.99, or $24.99 to a creator, of which the creator receives 50%. These recur every month unless the subscriber manually cancels, meaning creators can make money month over month. Twitch also lets viewers give direct donations to streamers, of which Twitch takes 30%. However, many creators on the platform provide links to donate directly via payment services, which allows the creators to take home the full amount from a third party like PayPal. Number 8. Behance. Behance is a content platform for graphic designers and other visual creators. The platform allows creators to set up monthly membership subscriptions to give followers special access to premium content and downloadable resources. You can set your own subscription price and can actually keep most of it. Creative Cloud members will have the platform fee waived and will just have to take a cut from the processing fee of Stripe, which is 2.9% plus a 30-cent fee. For those without a Creative Cloud membership, the platform fee is 20%. The subscription system is still relatively new, so if you didn't get invited to the program, you may have to wait for it to become more widely available, but it is likely to do so. Number 9. Ko-fi. Ko-fi is a competing donation platform to Patreon, but their major difference is that Ko-fi doesn't take any fees from donations. They make money on their premium version, which unlocks more features for creators. While donations always have zero fees, other features come with a 5% fee unless you pay for a subscription. This includes membership subscriptions, items you sell in the shop, and commissions. However, these fees will be waived with a subscription, the lowest level of which is $6 per month if you pay annually. It's a good website for creators to receive support, especially if they want an alternative to Patreon. Number 10. Medium. If you're a writer rather than a video creator or social media creator, then Medium is a good place to start to get paid for your work. It's not incredibly hard to find a paid writing gig, but writing on Medium means you get to write about whatever you want, instead of being contained to just one topic. You can register for Medium's partner program, and once approved, you will get paid based on how many views your articles get and how long readers spend reading them. So, which platforms are you going to use to make money? Are you already creating content on one of these platforms? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like this video if you found it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit FilterGrade.com today.